What I want to do is I want to show the difference on this from using a software bus compressor to using the Tegeler. So we've got the original mix here, and we've got the Tegeler mix here, which I've got going out via insert in real time. And this is what I absolutely love about Reaper is I can send stuff out to hardware and right back in and almost use it like as it were a plugin or something like that. And I think that's really cool. Okay, so here's the original mix. And here's the Tegeler.